Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how to reset app preferences. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here I'm going to scroll all the way down to System and Update, select Reset, and then choose Reset All Settings. Reset all settings and reset all settings. Give it a second. It's apparently going to be taking a little bit longer than I expected. And there we go, we're now finished. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.